Welcome back to the channel. In this video, you're going to learn how to edit your TikTok slow motion video. So go ahead and open up TikTok and click on the plus sign down at the bottom center of the screen. That's going to open up your camera where you can see your ugly mug. You can also flip it, top right hand side of the screen if you want to look at the back camera's view. And you can adjust your speed, beauty, filters, and timer. Now the interesting thing here is the speed button, which right now is actually toggled on. It's right underneath flip on the right hand side. If you click it, you can see that I toggled it off, and now I toggled it back on again. Right underneath my face, right above the red button for shoot, you can see it says 1x. That means it's the exact speed that you're shooting at. If you click 0.5, that's half the speed, and if you click 0.3, that's less than half the speed. 2 times is 2 times the speed, and 3 times is 3 times the speed. I'm going to go ahead and put it back on 1. Now the next thing that you can do is go ahead and click on shoot. And I tried to pick something that I could edit with slow motion and it would look pretty cool. After you're done shooting, just go ahead and click on the red check mark. Then you're going to be brought to a page that looks like this where you can see your video in actual speed. Now to edit the time, you can go ahead down to the bottom where you see effects. It's the second one in from the left on the bottom. Click on effects. And here you're going to want to swipe over until you can click on time. This will open up this page where you can click on none, reverse, repeat, or slow-mo. I'm going to go ahead and click on slow-mo. And now you can highlight which section that you'd like to have on slow-mo. You can see the changes right there by watching the bar. You see how it moves slower and then fast? If you want to stop it, just click on the video and you can adjust which areas are slow mode by swiping the little red section here. So for instance, we can make this all the way over. So my face is kind of slow mode down. When you're happy with your changes, you can go ahead and press save, top right hand side of the screen. You can also add stickers, text, sounds, a voiceover, voice effects, and several other filters. For this example, I'm just going to leave it with the slow-mo and go ahead and click next down at the bottom right hand side of the screen. Now you can post this if you would like. You can choose if it's public or private. I'm going to go ahead and choose private. And you can also save it as a draft if you're not ready to post yet. I'm going to go ahead and post and take a look at it. Okay, we can see that it has finally uploaded. While we were waiting, I hope you took the time to go ahead and smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm. If you want to take a look at it, because it is private, go down to your Me tab in the bottom right hand side, click on that. And then you can take a look at all of your private posts by clicking on the little lock section underneath your profile. Click on the video, and that will open it up. And you can see my shaking face in slow motion. If you're all done watching, just go ahead and click on the back arrow, top left hand side of the screen, and you can return to the home tab when you are done messing around with that. Hope this video helped you out. If it did, go ahead and smash that like button. If it didn't, put a thumbs down and tell me why in the comments it didn't work for you and how I can help. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care.